How to use reverse in CapCut.
There was once a day that
Guys, ang una nyo gagawin ay punta tayo sa CapCut. Yan. Tapos, click nyo lang yung new project. Dito guys, piliin nyo lang yung video na i-reverse nyo. Yan. So, yan yung video na original. Yan guys, so yan yung video na original. Para i-reverse yan, i-click nyo lang yung mismong video. Tapos, dito sa baba, hanapin nyo lang yung reverse. Yan guys, so eto guys, yung reverse. Click lang natin yan. At hintayin nyo lang siya mag 100%. Yan guys, so reverse done. At i-check nyo na yung video. Yan guys, so ganun lang. Sana nasundan nyo. At kapag okay na yan sa inyo, ay i-export nyo na.
there was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and miss me.